Now, we all know how to make potato chips, sweet potato chips, but have you ever tried zucchini chips? They're a thing and they're absolutely delicious. I've tried a few different recipes, but I find this one is the absolute best for really sweet zucchini in the centre, soft zucchini, and a crispy exterior. First up, you want to cut your zucchini into chips. So you can cut them into any shape you like, but I'm going to keep it quite classic into battens just like this. Skin on because there's so much more flavour. In here I have 3 egg whites and just a pinch of salt, and we'll give that a whisk. You don't need to whisk this until it's frothy, you just want to loosen up the egg whites. Okay, happy with that. In another bowl, we're going to add some flours. Now, I find the best way to do this is with 2 varieties of flours, so half a cup of rice flour and some tapioca flour. We'll add that, and we'll just give that a shake and a slight mix. The battens are ready. We've got our glue, if you like, so the eggs and our flour. And I've also prepared my deep fryer. Now, I love this particular deep fryer because it comes with a filter. So after you've fried your chips, the oil has cooled down. That oil's not going to be wasted. You can use it again because it simply filters into this blue box here. When you're frying, you need to preheat your oil. So I've got mine at the optimum temperature, which is 180 degrees. Okay, let's get frying. So I'm going to do this in batches. I don't want to do them all at once. You want to keep them nice and crisp. So into our egg white, and we want to coat each batten, shake the excess off into the flour, and then just coat each individual batten. Shake the excess off now, and we'll pop them in the basket. First batch. I'm going to set a timer for about 3 minutes, but just keep an eye on them. You want them to be really golden. You'll know they're ready then. Okay, this last batch is ready to go. The one thing you need to know about zucchini chips is you don't want to sit around and wait. Listen to this. They're crispy now, so you want to eat them immediately while they're still hot. So we'll drain off the oil on some paper towel with the other ones. Yum! And we'll pop that back on. And you can just add classic salt, or you can give it a bit of a twist. I'm going to make a Greek-style salt. So in a bowl, I'll add some oregano and some dried mint. I love dried mint and dried oregano. And a really good pinch of salt flakes. So a couple of handfuls of that. Give that a good mix, crushing that salt. Look at that. Oh, smells so good. Now, just give a nice sprinkle of that salt over our zucchini chips. So I'm keeping with the Greek theme, and I'll serve these zucchini chips with some tzatziki, which is just some yogurt, cucumber, and I've mixed that all together with a few herbs. We'll pile these up. You know, the best thing about this is they're going to please everyone. Your friends who are gluten intolerant, they can have these chips because of the tapioca flour and the rice flour. So it's a winner all round. I'm going to turn those around. And I love a little wedge of lemon on the side if you like. Just a pop of colour. So good. Like I said, you have to eat them immediately. A little dip into that tzatziki. I can't believe I've only discovered these. They're so delicious. You are going to love them. Just make sure that oil is nice and hot. You'll get that crispy result.